question of the week. Ang sabi dito ay kailangan ba ng investment? Kailangan ba na ang may involved ba dito na product? Kailangan ba ng capital? Ang sagot dito ay yes. Every time you start your business, kailangan mong mag-invest. You have to invest the $149 which is your entrance fee. And para makapag-start ka dito sa business na ito. And of course, we offer complete services like step-by-step training na kailangan mo lang sundan na nakaset up na sa iyong business. We have also mentorship and coaching that will help you and guide you to set your business. And you have also system panel that you can create your website. And we have also a private community that support you every wins you achieve or whatever. And the second question is, may product ba dito na involved? Of course, we have a product, but this product we don't sell. We don't sell on the market, but it's only for your household. And yung gamit mo lang sa iyong bahay, gamitin mo lang sa bahay. And the last question is, kailangan ba ng capital? Yes, of course. Kailangan dito ng capital, but you don't need $1,000, €1,000 so that you can you can start your business. No. We offer here the low ticket and the high ticket. Pero depende yon sa iyong budget. Kung marami-rami ka namang pera, then why not to start the high ticket? I'm offering this because when you choose the high ticket, of course, your income, commission will double, triple, or more. Pero it depends naman sa iyo kung ano yung mas pipiliin mo dito. Kung pupunta ka naman sa low ticket, kung kung hindi mo pa kaya yung iyong budget, then why not? Okay. Dahil hindi naman tayo pare-pareho ng buhay, di ba? So, depende yun sa iyong budget kung gusto mo mag-start ng low ticket or the high ticket. So, sana nasagot ko ang iyong katanungan, kuya.